My heater's broke and I'm so tired. I need your fuel to build a fire. The lilac's gone, I'm down and out. What'd you say? The lilac's gone and I'm down and out. The lilac? Yeah. It's not the lilac. What do you mean? It's the liquor. The liquor? I've been singing about liquor this whole time? Oh yeah, it's cold gin. It's cold gin time again. You know we'll always win. Oh, I thought they were saying lilac, like the bush. Nah, that's about liquor. Remember in like a live one, I think, Paul Stanley was like, hey, when you're down in the dumps, and you need something to bring you up, you need cold gin. That's what he used to tell those kids, that drinking's gonna solve your problems. Oh yeah. Okay, well, you want to start the show? Yeah, okay. That's some pretty bad advice, cold gin. Well, it's cold gin time again. You know we'll always win. Cold gin time. Hey, honey, can I ask you something? Yeah, sure. And you gotta be honest with me. Oh, of course. Is cold gin the only thing that keeps us together? I didn't want to tell you this, but yeah. My heater's broke, and I'm so tired. I need your fuel to build the fire. Hey. So what do you want to do today? I was thinking, speaking of, drinking, we should do the Serenity prayer again. The Serenity prayer in Ojibwe? Yeah, you wanna? Sure. You want me to do the Ojibwe or the English part? Why don't you read the Ojibwe part and then I'll translate it. Okay. Maybe we can put some music on it. Oh yeah, that's a good idea. All right. So why don't you start the show and then pass it over to me and then we'll go from there. Okay. Now I don't know how to do it. I know, I get like that too. All right, whenever you're ready. Okay. Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Nah. BOOZHOO. BOOZHOO, welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this over here is Nana BOOZHOO. Please welcome Nana BOOZHOO. Oh, thank you very much. Hey, everybody. We have something very special planned today. We're going to do the Serenity prayer in Ojibwe. And I know we did this before, but, for those of you who are still walking the red road, this is a good way to stay on the track. All right, so why don't you do the Ojibwe, and then I'll translate it. Okay. Well, I guess I'll just start. BOOZHOO, Gichi-manidoo, daga WIIDOOKAWISHIN. Hello, Great Spirit. Please help me. WIIDOOKAWISHIN, WEWENI NAANAAGADAWENDAMAAN, odaapinamaan. Help me to accept. Iniw, ge-gashkitoosiwaan, aanjisidooyan. Those things that I cannot change. De-apiichide'eyaan, aanjisidooyan, ge-gashkitooyan. And the power to change the things that I can. De-apiichi-nibwaakaayan, gikendamaan ono. And the wisdom to know the difference. Oh, wow. Oh, that was really good. All right, one more time. Gichi-manidoo, daga WIIDOOKAWISHIN, WEWENI NAANAAGADAWENDAMAAN, odaapinamaan, iniw ge-gashkitoosiwaan, aanjisidooyan, de-apiichide'eyaan, aanjisidooyan, ge-gashkitooyan, de-apiichi-nibwaakaayan, gikendamaan. Oh no. And there you have it. The Serenity Prayer. I want to say good luck to everyone on their way. And, whatever. Alright, well, thank you for watching BOOZHOO, NAANAAGADAWENDAMAAN, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NAANAAGADAWENDAMAAN, and this is Natasha. Alright, we did that way too soon. I know, I don't know what it... Jumped the gun. Alright, one more time. And you have been watching BOOZHOO, NAANAAGADAWENDAMAAN, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NAANAAGADAWENDAMAAN. And I am Natasha. And I will see you again. Giga-wapamin. Minowa. Howa. Alright. Alright, good enough. Let's get wanna help me edit this thing? Oh yeah, that'll be fun. Alright. Later. Alright, I'm all self-conscious. I know, I think it's because we're being filmed. Forgive me, Great Spirit. But we're gonna pray on camera here. Alright, go ahead. BOOZHOO, Gichi-manidoo? BOOZHOO. Daga WIIDOOKAWISHIN. Hello, Great Spirit. Please help me.